Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Phantom wallet to Grass. Okay, so this is going to be a quick video. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to phantom.com and make sure to download the extension if you haven't done that already. Just click here on download. As you can see, this is like what you need to search for, phantom.com. Click on download for Chrome. Now it's going to take you guys directly to Chrome web store. Now you just need to download this extension that will help you connect to Grass. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how this works. Just give it a few seconds. Now after it's downloaded, what you guys need to do, you want to pin it in the top. Okay, so you just need to click on the extensions icon in the top. Okay, and then make sure you pin it. Just click this pin button, and that's it. Now you want to click on it. Okay, so it's going to take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do next, you want to click on create a new wallet, and then I'm going to continue with email, and I'm going to use my Gmail. Now, if you haven't created an account yet, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, guys, as you can see, it says here you are all done. Click on get started, and that's all you need to do. Now click on it again. Now you want to click here the home, as you can see the home page here, and then you want to click on receive. Okay, after guys you click on receive, you want to click on Salona. Okay, and this is the code or the wallet, the address that you need to copy. Okay, so you want to go back now to Grass, and you want to click on connect. As you can see, you want to now go to getgrass.io and click on connect here. Okay, so keep in mind that you must download the app. Okay, it's so that it will allow you to add the address there. If you don't download it, it's not going to allow you to do that. So when you download it, you will be able to add the address so that you can connect Phantom to Grass. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this, guys. As you can see, you will have to download this. If you are using Windows, just click on Windows, here, and then you want to click download. Okay, so that's all you need to do, guys. Hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys next video.